Mathematics has expressed strong support for a controversial new maths syllabus that's being rolled out in Irish second-level schools. Professor Joe Bowler of Stanford University rejected claims that ProjMaths was a dumbing down and said the new curriculum was more demanding.
She's the author of several books and numerous academic papers, all on the subject of how best to teach mathematics. Today, Professor Joe Bowler was in Dublin addressing Irish maths educators and policymakers. She's a strong supporter of new, more practical maths syllabi, such as ProjMaths, which is currently being rolled out in Irish secondary schools.
The methods that we know work are those in which kids are given time to go into a bit more depth. They may be given more interesting problems to work on that aren't just abstract calculations, and they get to talk about methods, why they work, how they work.
ProjMaths is controversial among its critics, some third-level mathematicians and second-level teachers who say the new syllabus is a dumbing down.
The main problem is the syllabus. They have removed all of the important topics that they should have covered at second level. Students going into third level now will be at a serious disadvantage. People who want to go on to do computer science and do engineering will need good basic knowledge in differential calculus, linear algebra, matrices and vectors. They don't need to be sitting measuring totem poles and things like that.
But we have a huge amount of evidence now that it is just not helpful to have kids sitting down and cramming them full of content, because they just, what we find is they don't understand the mathematics, they don't want to take it further, and many people are actually quite traumatized by their maths experiences.
As for the real impact of ProjMaths on today's Irish students, time will tell. Emma O'Kelly, RTE News.
Large crowds turned out for the first day of Dublin's two best